Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Cognosys and AgentGPT, two platforms that let you create autonomous AI agents to do the real work for you. I'll walk you through a longer overview of each, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finish with a balanced conclusion on which builds smarter agents in 2025. Let's get started. Cognosys presents itself as an all-purpose agent operating system for productivity. Think of it as a workspace where you give objectives and the platform breaks them down into tasks, runs autonomous steps, consults web sources and documents, and returns structured results. It's aimed at people and teams who want to offload research, reporting, and workflow automation to an AI that can chain multiple actions together rather than only answering simple prompts. Cognosys emphasizes integrations, workflow automations, and sustained agent runs. It's designed for longer multi-step work like market research, competitive analysis, or multi-document synthesis rather than one-off chat replies. Now let us talk about AgentGPT. AgentGPT is a browser-first builder for autonomous agents with an emphasis on fast experimentation. The user experience is straightforward. Name the agent, give it a goal, pick its capabilities, and deploy. It's especially popular for quick demos, scraping and research tasks, trip planning, or simple-purpose agents that run with a clear objective. AgentGPT became known as an accessible entry point for testing agentic workflows without needing to build infrastructure. It's widely used in the community because of its simple setup and the fact that you can see results within minutes. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Cognosys. Objective-driven agent creation that breaks goals into subtasks automatically. Workflow automation that triggers executions and memory for sustained runs. And this is a good one, integration with tools and document handling for richer context. You can connect your favorite apps in one place because Cognosys acts as a central hub for your work, seamlessly communicating between your favorite apps and giving actionable insights. Access to cutting-edge models like GPT-4 Turbo and Gemini Ultra on paid tiers, and workspace and team collaboration features for professional use. How about features of AgentGPT? Simple agent creation, just name it, set a goal, and launch. Web search and tool access for scraping and research. Lightweight dashboard to monitor agents and their outputs, and free tier for quick experiments, and also the paid plans for expanded runs and model access. What is the pricing of both platforms like? For Cognosys, there's a free tier, which is great to get started, a pro plan, which is currently the most popular at $15 per month, an ultimate plan at $59 per month, and an enterprise plan, which you need to reach out to get in touch with the team to get the custom price for you. If you decide to pay annually, the price goes down. And for AgentGPT, it also has a free tier and a paid tier. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? Let's start with the pros. For Cognosys, it is designed for complex multi-step workflows. The strong workflow automation and integration capabilities it possesses is a great plus. You have access to top-tier models and enterprise features, and the pricing tiers are also very clear. The pros of AgentGPT is extremely fast and easy to prototype agents. All you need to do is create an account and you sign in. The free tier makes it accessible for experimentation, and it's community driven with lots of creative templates. Yes, you can see different communities there in Discord, on X, and also LinkedIn. How about the cons? For Cognosys, it's still a newer platform, so the ecosystem is smaller than older players. And the advanced features on this platform are gated behind the higher pricing tiers. For AgentGPT, it lacks deeper enterprise governance and integrations. The pricing and features can also vary depending on where you're using it. So here's the real question. Which of these platforms builds smarter agents in 2025? Well, it depends on how you define smart. If you define smart as being able to handle long multi-step workflows reliably, managing documents, automations, tasks with memory, then Cognosys takes the lead because it's clearly designed as an agent operating system, offering workflow-first design, high-end models, and enterprise-level features. But if you define smart as being lightweight, fast and practical for experimentation, then AgentGPT is the way to go because it's quick to set up and easy to use. It's also perfect for individuals who want to spin up an agent idea in minutes. It may not have the same depth or enterprise polish, but is incredibly smart for rapid prototyping. Well, here's a quick note on safety and governance. If you're running agents on sensitive data or at a scale, pay attention to governance, permissions, and cost control. Cognosys emphasizes enterprise governance more strongly, while AgentGPT leans lighter for prototyping. And that's it on the comparison between Cognosys and AgentGPT. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore LangChain, OpenAI's GPT agents, and Hugging Face. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.